I went to Abia State to join Mr. Ikechi and his family to bury their late dad, Elder Samson Nkpo. The man lived to be 99 years, and yes, I got the secret of longevity. Simple daily strolls, fresh food, and being at peace with people. Certain things caught my eye, especially this long age practice of lighting up cannons at different important compounds of the deceased. This multiple gunshot salute is called Nkpo Nani, and it is powered by gunpowder filled in that cannon and topped up with sand. It is used to start off funerals or announce the arrival of important persons, especially at traditional ceremonies. As you can see, this is very dangerous and should not be tried at home.